Hello, we are going to Bidronka. Let's go together.
This area?
Yeah, that's the area.
Mag-ansa mata dito.
It's
Sa Polish, mag-unsa ta dito?
Chile. Biedronce to jest miejsce, Biedronka, tak? Biedronka to jest miejsce, gdzie można kupić sobie jedzenie.
Komprahanan og pagkaon.
Pagkaon.
Dool ra?
Ang lamig.
Dool ra ba siya?
Opo.
Punta daw mi sa Bitrungka. Nagdaanan niya. Makumpra mi og asukal. Carrots. Suka. Unsa pa? Sibuyas, ahos. Kaya asukal kay ibiko na to ba unin ko ari nila. Karon ta mo biko eh. Uli nami.
Uli nami.
Padong nami uli kay nagakompra nami oh. Gikan mi sa Bitrungka.
Ladybug.
Oo, nakakompra siya guys.
Ladybug.
Nakakompra. Mingaw lagi din yun, no? Lami din ni Puyan kay nindot ang tulog ba?
Wait, let me just fix my hair.
Na, nagkagubot na.
Ako ko.
Kaon mi o kasya man na nalugaw. Hindi mo sa among kauban diri. Kasya man na. Mura siya tik-tik ba? Lami man sa tikman natin.
Hi guys. Hi. Thick. Thick
Lami?
Yes, thick as my face.
Delicious.
Yes. Delicious. Tasty.
Ang Polish.
Przepyszne.
Sa best niya? Siya? Service niya.
A powiedz dobre.
Dobra.
Dobre.
Dobra.
Nag-shopping.
Oh, sure ba?
Kaon. Kaon.
Kaon ka?
Oh, sarap.
Ikuan ka, anong tawag nun? Kanang...
Ning, yes.
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 Yes. Yes. Yes.
Pagpili na, tumigikan sa ocean. Tumigikan sa ocean kay medyo palit. Buhat may karon o bus diyan may sa bus stop. Mga 20 minutes pa mo ang 20 minutes pa mo ang bus. Diri ang bus stop nila pinay lingkuranan maghuwat dili kapoy kayo maglingkod-lingkod. Nagluto na kami paniod to mauni among giluto. Ikaw ni pa. Unsa atong giluto? Unsa atong giluto?
Baboy. Pan macaron. Filipino style.
It's
Spaghetti.
pansit.
Yeah, Filipino style spaghetti.
Tapos, ayun o, biya kay aron surprise ay mong kauban. Tapos, unsa man na?
It's baboy. No, pork. Cooked pork. Cooked baboy.
Sa Polish.
And shinka.
Shinka.
And pomidor.
Kanuno na ka?
Yes.
Okay,
And my mommy is
kaunta.
already cooking something new.
Kaunta.
Yeah.
Okay. labay medyo kuran yan. Gising. Museum daw to nila. Museum daw to nila. Museum daw to. Close lang kay kuan na. Didi. Sakitas kamot ay. Karon magluto ko og maha.
Ni spaghetti ni Shiloh.
It's called carbonara, guys, with a little bit too overcooked spaghetti.
Overcooked spaghetti.
Yeah, because it's not al dente and it's kind of soft. So basically, it's like a little bit overcooked, but a little bit. It's not too much overcooked. It's just a little bit overcooked, and basically, yeah.
Bye
Good
bye.
job.
Have a good day.
Have a good day. Good job.
Careful always. Good morning. Good morning guys.
Morning, guys.
Today's video magluto tayo ng carbonara. Siya magluto.
Me.
Ready na kami?
I'm ready. Yeah, ready.
What you prepare?
So we prepare some ingredients. Let's start with this is sugar, salt, spaghetti. This is onion or garlic. This is garlic. This is onion, cheese, butter, and also like whipped milk, smetana. It's like 12%, and it's 30%. Like 12% is like not too much watery, and it's like watery. We have ham, like two types. Yeah,
Yeah.
two types. And
Okay.
this is like spices. There's different spices we can use, but I think I will just use non-spicy one. I am not.
Okay.
I don't really.
Okay.
The spicy one is not my cup of tea.